Hi guys, my name is Taylor Dawns with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Sea Ray 210 SPX. So coming on in the boat, you'll have a nice transom walk through there on the side. You'll have a sun pad up here with a backrest that pops up as well. Coming on in the cockpit, ton of storage, nice spot for a cooler under here. Under this seat is actually another insulated cooler. This seat over here flip-flops back and forth, so you can, sit up if you need to or lay it down flat for more seating. Taking a look at our dash, you'll have a 9-inch Simrad glass dash, so everything's going to be digital, no analog push buttons or anything. A couple of them down here to control your nav and anchor lights. Glove box on this side, big nice ski locker, can hold a lot of stuff in there. And then of course on all of our SPX models you'll have a tower as well. So if you have any questions about this boat or any other boat in stock, give us a call or stop by our showroom.